So, in real mom life, Harley started crying, and I had to get her. But Amelia is mixing away, doing such a good job. She's got the eggs and egg yolk going. We got the chocolate sauce to the side. We're getting close to bacon, right? Are you mixing? Good job. You did a good job. Look at that. Come on now. That's impressive. Look at that. It's impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Mama's impressed. Mama's impressed. Say hello. Say hello. Okay, good job. Okay, now it tells us we're gonna mix in the contents of the cake and put it all together. So you stay here stirring. I'm gonna get the cake mix and you're gonna put it in. Okay?
The cheese?
No, not cheese.
Flour?
Flour, yeah, the cake mix. Yep. Mama can open this with one hand and holding Harley. Okay. Don't do what I do. Okay, here we go. Yay! Stir it in. Stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Of course, I didn't open enough. Oh, I'm getting it on me. I'm getting it on Arlie. Oops. Silly mama. There we go. Here it comes.
The big one?
That's a big one. We're gonna mix it all in. And mix it, mix, mix, mix. Sorry. Go ahead, keep mixing. I'll keep pouring as you mix. Good job. It's okay, we'll clean up later. Here you go. Here it comes. Woo! No, don't do that. We're mixing. You can do that later. I see you.
I can't roll it. I can eat.
You can't eat until we're all done. I know you want to have a little taste, but not yet. Keep mixing. Mix, mix, mix. Nope, Amelia, don't put your finger in there. Come on. Come on, baby. Keep mixing. I have to put your sister back down so I can be in control. Oh my goodness. Okay. Good job. Okay. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. Good job. Oh my goodness. Okay. Good job. Keep going. Keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Bring it over here. Go like this. There we go. You got it. No, I'll clean that up. Don't touch that. Okay, don't touch that. No, May, don't eat that. So for real, don't eat that. That's dirty. Don't touch that. Don't touch. Excuse me. Move your hand. Thank you. Don't eat that. Toddlers, man. Okay, stop. Stop. Come in. Stop. You can't eat raw egg. It's not good. It's dangerous. You don't want to eat that. It's not good. Keep stirring, please. Let me put Harley back down. So I can help you. Yeah, maybe.
Well, I did.
You did it. Good job. Let me put Harley down.
Now you're done.
No, not all done yet. Hold on. There you go. Put your whole body on here, babes. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let me see.
You're mine.
I know, but I gotta help you. Whisk our egg and yolks, mix in and beat until, yeah. So we gotta whisk it a little bit more, and then we gotta pour the chocolate in. So let's keep mixing. So can I help you a little bit?
No.
Please?
Egg.
I know. Egg, yes, I know.
Or egg.
Yeah, okay. Let Mama help. We gotta mix.
It's me.
I know. Be sweet. Do you wanna have cake later?
Yeah.
Then you have to be sweet. Let Mama help.
They're hoping.
Okay, you are helping, but I need to help now. If you don't let me help, you won't be able to eat it tonight.
I did.
You are doing it. Now let me help. You're doing a great job. Careful. You're making a mess. It's okay. It's okay. Mama will vacuum later. It's okay. I don't want you to get it on you. Okay. Let me help you now. I'll hold your hand. Here we go. Yay! Okay. And then, look, we want to pull this off the wall so that we can mix it all in. So when Papa, you know, my daddy, Papa, and I used to bake all the time when I was a kid. I used to love baking.
No, I'm not baking that.
Hold on, baby. We gotta pull this all off the wall. No, baby. You gotta let me pull it off the wall.
I'm not eat.
No, we're not eating right now. No, we're definitely not. Keep stirring. We eat later. It's gotta become a whole mix. See? It's gotta become a whole mix. So Papa used to say to me, you wanna scrape it off the sides so that we get all of it in the mix. You see? You see? Look.
Bathroom.
What, baby?
The bathroom.
Yeah, I see some of it's on the ground. It's okay. Look, see? And then this. Off the wall, off the wall, off the wall, off the wall. There we go. Off, off, off. And mix. See? Look how it looks at. Look at that. It's becoming a mix. You see? Good job. Let's show. Let's show. Look at that mix. Can you see it? Yeah. Wow. Good job. Keep going. Keep mixing. You're doing a good job. Keep going. Because then we're going to add the chocolate next. And then we're going to mix it all together. And that'll make the cake. Okay? Keep going.
I done.
Almost. Okay, I'll finish. I'll finish. That's okay. You did a really good job. So now Mama's just going to whisk it up a little bit. A little bit more. Pull this off the wall. Pull this off the wall. See? Because then you see how all the powder comes off the wall. It helps it to mix. See? Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. Should we sing a song? Mix, 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 mix. Usually you say yes. Look.
How's the bacon?
It's good. Amelia's decided to stick her fingers in the bowl, 3 or 4 times to eat, and I told her she can't have raw eggs. But other than that, she actually did a really good job. Arlie threw a fit, and I had to pick Arlie up, and Amelia sat here and mixed away by herself and did a really good job.
Good.
Right?
Good job, Amelia.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, keep going.
You hold it.
Daddy's cutting the grass, right? Keep going. Good job. Go girl. Yay.
Dad,
You're doing a good job.
take the hope.
Yeah, you're stirring it up. I see. Doing a good job.